How to apply for MBNA credit card. Now, first things first, I'm currently using my laptop or PC so that we'll have a wider view of the vision. Now, from here, you'll just have to pull up any preferred web browser that you want, and then on your search bar, just simply type in MBNA. Or you can go ahead directly to mbna.co.uk. Now, once you hit enter, this is gonna be your website dashboard. Now, since we are not having an account yet, all you have to do is if you scroll down a bit, as you can see, what are you looking for today? So all you have to do is click on I'm ready to apply. Now, for you to be able to apply, there will be a certain checker that you need to run through first if you are eligible for having a credit card with MBNA. Now, all you have to do is just fill out this general information right here, like your first name, middle name, last name, your date of birth, your gender, your marital status. Basically, this is just a general information. And then once you're done this, all you have to do is just to click on continue. And once you hit on continue, that's the time that you will have to enter your social security numbers, your identification, or you have to take a picture of your identification and then upload it on this website. Now, once you've done that, you'll just have to wait for maybe a couple of minutes for the MBNA customer support to get back to you once your registration is completed. So that's it. That's how you can apply for MBNA credit card.